Hi everybody, this is Philip with A1 Duct Cleaning and Chimney Sweep, and today we are going to show a fire glass installation. Here we have the Chimney Firebox. What we're going to do is actually do an installation of the glass in this firebox. So the first thing we did is we removed the cap from the gas line here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to install a damper clamp. This is a clamp that's installed that keeps the damper permanently open for safety issues. That way you don't close the damper and have carbon monoxide getting in the house. Here you can see it clamped onto the damper. Next, we're going to install the H burner, properly named, obviously for obvious reasons. This burner is what the gas actually comes out of. We have it all installed here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to paint the firebox black. We highly recommend that you do that because it really just makes the fiberglass pop really well. It gives it a kind of endless feel, an endless look. So here it's been painted. We use a fire resistant to up to 2,000 degrees paint. And it really, we actually painted the screen there and the firebox. You can kind of see some wet spots, but it really the flat black really just kind of gives an endless open look. You'll really see once we get it lit up how it's going to look. Here we've installed the fireglass. This is a bronze fireglass. It is a reflective glass. It's actually mirrored glass. You can kind of see how it's sparkling. It has little mirrored parts in it that really sparkle when the fire gets going. And this is a bronze. They come in different colors. They come in black, and they come in pretty much any color you can think of, red, green. We've only installed black and bronze. Those are the two that most customers tend to want to go with. I recommend the bronze because it just kind of looks like gold. As you can see, it's sparkling really nice. It is a more modern look as compared to gas logs. And then, of course, it's really clean, easy. You just light it, have it go, have your cocktail party, or just enjoy Christmas or whatever. And then once you're done, you just turn the gas off, and that's it. All right, thanks a lot, folks. Hope you enjoyed.